Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos offline legally. First of all, open your YouTube in your browser or YouTube app in your phone. If you're on your laptop, click on the three buttons of the video you want to download. Now you will have a list of options from where you can select download. Here, if you have a normal account, the download quality will be standard and low, but if you have a premium account, you shall be able to download the videos in a higher quality. To download, just simply click on the download button. If you are in your phone, you will also have an interface where you will be able to see the three dots, and when you click on it, you shall be able to see the download option, which will download your videos. Scroll down to U section, and in this list you can see downloads. Here you will be able to access your downloaded videos, which you can access when you are offline. Thank you for watching, and follow us for more tips and tutorials.